Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Watch until the end to watch the most confusing road rage ever. How can you even road rage after something like this?
A few moments later.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh shit! What the fuck? Wow. Wow. You got the. Wow. You got this on Dashcam. All right.
This truck driver got cut off. Wow, I never knew Canada was so beautiful, mate.
Oh, are you going or are you not? Jesus fucking Christ, dude. Jackass.
Something makes me feel like this driver doesn't understand that he had a green light. Does not mean that the other drivers have a red light unless it's an arrow. Now this is some real hard driving. Can you imagine? One lane with no traffic and that driver still manages to mess up. Who would really be at fault here? Comment below. Geez, that car seems fast.
Europa of det fungerer lige altså. Ja, det er lidt dårligt i Europa-brys. Og her kan jeg fortælle dig, at jeg
in his plans, so he gets so complacent that he doesn't call his field.
Yeah, man.
That's back when you could punch your daughter in the stomach.
Yeah, this was what, just a Saturday morning, and
Yeah.
Were you watching
Saturday or
cartoons?
Sunday morning.
Were you just out the
Yeah,
window,
yeah.
just peeking out?
Yeah, dude. Wild.
Yeah, do you remember what your reaction was to that?
I think I laughed. I think there was no fear. Like when your siblings get hit, it's great.
Yeah.
yeah, it's not on me.
It's so fun to
Attention's
watch
not
your
on me.
your siblings
Yeah.
getting beat up or like slapped. I remember watching my mom slap my other sister.
That's pretty
It was
fun.
great. It was really fun to watch.
Yeah.
One time, Jesus Christ, now I'm going through these stories. One of them got.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.